2015 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter LTZ. What we got done for it on it for you guys today, it's got the stock converters there, and these ones come with a third converter right there. We cut out the muffler and did a 3-inch pipe in its place and continued it out. We left the resonator, he didn't want it too loud and obnoxious, into a 5-inch tip right there, double wall metal. If you guys want that tip, you can see the description in the link in the description. Came out really nice, clean look. That's how you do a muffler delete on these Chevy Tahoe. Leave the resonator. Those tips always look really good on those cars. Oh, yeah. There's that massive muffler right. It's not coming up right there.
'Inside this 2015 Tahoe, let you guys hear it. Just did a muffler delete. Not too loud, but deep tone.
...2010 Yukon GMC Denali. Still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it wires into a single 3-inch, and we put this race muffler, Flowmaster. If you guys want this muffler, we'll put you the link in the description. Then a 3-inch pipe out the back into a 4-inch by 18 rolled edge tip. Right there. This is the muffler we took off of it. And the resonator, I don't know, was a resonator there too. You always want to take both of them off to make it sound real good. As you guys can see, the Flowmaster's tiny. See? Tiny muffler. It's 325108 is the number on it. Let you guys hear in a minute. Woo-hoo-hoo! Like it. What do you think? You like it? Give a guess. Yeah. 2010 GMC Yukon Denali. So this is the Tahoe again. We'll let you guys hear what we did after. So still got the stock converters there and there. Third one right there. Then we put a 3-inch pipe instead of the muffler. And then we put a 3-inch with a 4-inch tip. Double wall. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. That's how it came out. Go ahead. Much better. That's the stuff we took off right there. Still got the stock converters right there. Then the customer requested true duals right there, all the way back, 2.5 inch into 2 1/4 tailpipes right there, custom bent into 3.5 inch by 18 rolled edge tips right there and right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. There it is. There it is. That's how you true dual them. This is what true duals is, because you guys keep commenting that we don't do duals. That's the difference between true duals and regular duals. So stop commenting that it's not dual. This is true duals. 2003 Escalade. Give it gas. Duals. Give it gas. Thank you.
Take you over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Take you